as I said, three really critical things to focus on as you go forward into 2026 is you want to do an update to your profile, talk about all those things that and with real clarity. That's the main thing. So it's, as an example, often you'll see people say, I've worked with hundreds of clients in X industry. That's fine, but a really well optimized profile now would say something like, I've worked with 275 businesses in this particular niche or industry or whatever it might be. A good example, one of our clients, his like business advisory business. If you look at his profile, he says our clients achieved 253% uplift in profit year on year. That's the statement on his profile. Very clear, definable numbers that make it very clear that you do have expertise in that industry. So that's the profile optimization. That's the first you've kind of get right. And then, as I said, that's what creates this semantic alignment between your profile content, your network, and the comments get generated on not only your content, but the way you actually go outbound and comment on other people's posts.